Today I'm going to be unboxing this Aphmau Mimo. Let's have a look at the box. At the front, we've got this little face with these little pop-out ears. Isn't it cute? Aphmau. That's a YouTuber who made this. Their channel should be linked in the description down below. Now you can see right here there are two little cats. Those are some things we can get. We are unboxing litter 4, and that is celestial themed. So I have already removed all the plastic because I knew that would be boring, and I will open it up. I'm going to open it up from the bottom because I don't have any scissors here. Okay, let's have a look at the collector's guide. Who can we get? We can get Mooncat. We can get Mooncat, Suncat, Galaxy Cat, Ruby Cat, Sapphire Cat, Emerald Cat, Diamond Cat, Rainbow Cat. Everyone, I really want Galaxy Cat, so let's hope we get it. Okay, so in here is where it isn't. And oh, my sister is here. Do you want to tell them something? Do like and subscribing. Make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, now back to the video. You can see that it's not open yet. That's because I haven't opened it. Now, what is this? Oh my goodness. Oh. Who did we get? Sapphire Cat! It's so cute! Here is who we got.
I wonder whose cat is this?
It's got this cute little tummy. Oh, and with this little paw print on it, and a face. That is so cute. The side, you can see this nice, pretty design. Oh, and this tail is so nice. Now this is not what I wanted, but it's still very cute. It's not that soft, not as soft as Sun Cat, Moon Cat, and some of the other ones I've got, but it's still quite a good texture. So I think you should definitely buy it. It is amazing. And my rating out of 10 would probably be a 7 out of 10. So you should definitely buy one of these. You do not get to choose who you buy, and all of them are cute. So there's no point complaining about you didn't get the one you wanted.